guys.
It's 2019.
Yep, new year means new resolutions, at least for some of you.
Yeah. So this is your chance to do something better this year than you did last year.
Yep, and we've got 4 ideas for you. Call them mini resolutions, things that you can do around the house to really improve kind of the flow of your day-to-day life.
Yeah, there are things we've done in our life ourselves. So we've tried being not so good at these things, and we tried being pretty good at these things, and we've seen how it really helps our day-to-day life to do these things.
Yeah, it makes a big difference. So here we go. Okay, so I literally just got up, and the first thing I do is I make the bed. Christine and I have agreed that the last one to get out of bed is the one that makes the bed every morning. And this is probably the best 1 minute I spend every day. First of all, because if I start the day by making the bed, at least I've done something productive that day. And if the day turns out to be kind of crappy and nothing is really going our way, then at least the bed's made, so there's that. And as an added bonus, I think it's a lot nicer to get into bed in the evening when the bed's actually made rather than all ruffled up and not nice. So, I would recommend starting your day off by making the bed.
We just finished dinner, the kids helped clear table, and now I'm putting it in the dishwasher. Benny usually helps with this, but he's busy holding the camera right now.
Yep.
So we make sure we do this every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We always put all the dishes in the dishwasher or do them by hand right away, so that we always have a clear countertop to work with. This gives me so much energy in the morning when I come down, and I start the day with a nice clean slate.
Yeah, it's really nice to actually come down first thing in the morning and not to have to worry about like cleaning up before you actually, get the breakfast ready and get ready for the rest of the day.
Plus, it gives me a lot of desire to cook. I like cooking, but when I have a cleaner kitchen to work with, it's so much nicer. So this is one of the small things that we do that makes a huge difference in our lives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should do it too.
Yeah.
So I've got a spare light bulb. I just finished changing out a couple of these, but this one's going downstairs in storage because I don't need it right now because I've changed out all the light bulbs. But I am not going downstairs right now. I'm doing work up here. So what do? I put this light bulb in its drop-off zone. This is the drop-off zone. I know it doesn't look like much, it's just like a laundry hamper, but this is where we put the things that are going downstairs when we are not going downstairs. So they don't end up, I don't find them in a couple of weeks in some corner of the bedroom or whatnot and ask myself, why is this here? But rather, we take it downstairs when we go downstairs and we put it where it belongs. And this works really nicely in reducing clutter. We've got a couple of these drop-off zones around the house, including one in the kitchen where we put bills and junk mail, basically pieces of paper that go into the house and then need to go out of the house again for recycling. And it's helped us a lot in just making things a little bit nicer and tidier around the house. So I'd recommend doing this.
I don't think doing laundry is anyone's favorite thing to do, especially when you get behind. It just piles up and it becomes almost impossible to do. But one thing you can do is to stay on top of laundry this year. Another thing is to include everyone in the household in folding laundry. Marcus and Amina, do you guys love doing laundry?
Yes! And I am done.
There's about a mix of emotions here, but when we do laundry, I just give them a pile each and they fold themselves and they put it away themselves. Hi. Lucas doesn't do it yet, but with time he will as well. And when we do it together, it goes so much faster and is more fun.
We hope that you've enjoyed getting a little bit of a peek into our day-to-day lives, and hopefully you've gotten some ideas also for things that you can do in 2019 to make this year even better than last year.
Yeah, and we've mentioned a few things that are really good, but the red thread is really to do it together. Don't go it alone. Make sure you involve everyone in the household so that everyone helps and is responsible for something.
Yeah, and it's not like, everybody has to be actively involved in every step of the process, but at least make sure that everybody's on board with the idea. Mm-hmm. I would also add that, don't beat yourself up about if you're not perfect. So especially at the start of the year, the idea is that at the end of 2019, you're better than you were at the start of 2019. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.
Also, please go to our website, realorganized.net, to find more helpful content and sign up for our mailing list. See you next time.